Get ready, Pittsburgh. Big changes are coming to the Pittsburgh International Airport. So what's changing and what will be the impact of Pittsburgh International Airport's modernization on the local real estate market? Pittsburgh International Airport is undergoing a massive $1.57 billion modernization project that is set to transform the way people travel to and from the region. This initiative is not just a game changer for the airport itself, but it's expected to have a ripple effect across various sectors, including the real estate market in the Pittsburgh area. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living, eating, traveling, and moving in Pittsburgh, then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about what's happening here in Pittsburgh. I'm Krista Lorenzo, and I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move in Pittsburgh, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're buying, selling, or building in 1 week or 1 year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move in Pittsburgh. The Terminal Modernization Program, TMP, at Pittsburgh International Airport includes constructing a new 811,000 square foot terminal, a 5,000 space parking garage, and an innovative connector bridge. Designed to enhance the passenger experience with a focus on public health, technology, and sustainability, the new terminal will feature clean air technology, more space for social distancing, and outdoor terrace areas. It's the first airport terminal in the U.S. to be built from the ground up post-pandemic, positioning Pittsburgh as a leader in next-generation airport design. So what can travelers expect once the project is completed? Number 1, a streamlined layout. The modernization will consolidate landside and airside operations into a single state-of-the-art terminal. This means travelers will have shorter walking distance between check-in, security, gates, and baggage claim, reducing travel time within the airport and making the journey smoother and more intuitive. Number 2, improved security and check-in experience. And you know we all need that right now. With a more streamlined design, the airport will have enhanced security checkpoints with the latest technology, which will make the screening process faster and less stressful. Self-service check-in kiosks and automated bag drops will further speed up the process, allowing for a more efficient experience from the moment travelers arrive at the airport. Number 3, increased amenities and services. Travelers can look forward to an expanded selection of dining, shopping, and lounge options. The new terminal will include more local eateries and shops, reflecting the culture and flavor of Pittsburgh. There will also be more comfortable seating areas, quiet zone, children play areas, and improved Wi-Fi and charging stations to keep travelers connected and comfortable while waiting for their flights. Number 4, sustainability and modern design. The modernization project incorporates sustainable building practices, including energy-efficient systems, natural lighting, and green spaces. The design of the terminal will focus on creating a more open and airy environment with large windows that provide natural light and views of the surrounding landscape. This emphasis on sustainability and modern design will create a more pleasant and relaxing atmosphere for travelers. Number 5, enhanced baggage handling system. I know I'm super excited about this one. A state-of-the-art baggage handling system will ensure that checked bags are processed and delivered more efficiently and accurately. This improvement aims to reduce lost or delayed luggage, providing peace of mind for travelers who check their bags. And I don't know about you, but I have had my bag lost and delayed many times. When it's on my way home, I don't mind so much. Most recently this summer, we traveled to Spain and had an airline debacle that resulted in no luggage for 4 days, which is challenging when you're in another country. My funniest one was probably when I was a little girl traveling to Oklahoma with my grandma, and my sister and I were taking a pair of rollerblades, which are extremely heavy, and so we put one in my suitcase and one in her suitcase. Well, her suitcase made it, but mine didn't for a couple days. So it's always an experience when you have lost baggage. Number 6, improved accessibility. The new terminal will be designed with accessibility in mind, ensuring that all travelers, including those with disabilities or special needs, can navigate the airport with ease. This includes wider concourses, accessible restrooms, and better access to services and amenities. Number 7, increased capacity and future-proofing. What does that mean? The modernization project is designed to accommodate future growth in passenger numbers and evolving airline operations. This means travelers will experience less congestion and delays even as airport traffic increases in the future. The new terminal is also being built with flexibility to adapt to new technologies and travel trends. Number 8, enhanced parking and ground transportation. Parking facilities will be improved with more spaces, better signage, and easier access to the terminal. Additionally, there will be an enhanced ground transportation center, making it easier for travelers to catch taxis, ride shares, buses, and other forms of transportation. Number 9, and I love this one, seamless international travel. The modernization will also include upgraded international arrival facilities, including expanded customs and immigration areas, designed to provide a more efficient and welcoming experience for international travelers arriving in Pittsburgh. And number 10, art and cultural displays. Incorporating Pittsburgh's rich cultural heritage, the new terminal will feature local art installations and cultural displays, providing a unique place to showcase the city's artistic community. Overall, the Pittsburgh International Airport modernization project is set to transform the travel experience by providing a more efficient, comfortable, and enjoyable experience. So how will this affect our local economy and real estate market? The construction project is expected to generate approximately $2.5 billion in total economic impact and create over 14,000 direct and indirect jobs. This influx of jobs and economic activity could stimulate demand for housing, both rental and for sale properties, in the nearby areas. An increase in employment opportunities and improved infrastructure can make Pittsburgh more attractive to potential homebuyers, thereby driving up property values. Neighborhoods close to the airport could see significant appreciation in property values as accessibility and desirability increase. What about commercial real estate? The airport modernization also has implications for commercial real estate. Improved infrastructure, better facilities, and increased passenger capacity may attract more businesses to the region, particularly those in travel, logistics, and the technology sectors. This could lead to higher demand for commercial spaces such as office buildings, warehouses, and retail outlets. Companies may also be more inclined to invest in the Pittsburgh region due to enhanced connectivity and transportation options provided by a state-of-the-art airport. With the airport's transformation, Pittsburgh is set to become an even more appealing destination for new residents and investors. The improved travel experience and increased flight options may attract people looking for a vibrant, accessible city with a robust economy. This could lead to a surge in demand for housing, especially in neighborhoods with easy access to the airport. Additionally, as the airport aims to be one of the most sustainable in the industry, it may attract eco-conscious buyers interested in reducing their carbon footprint. While the modernization of the airport presents many opportunities, there are also going to be challenges to consider. With the construction phase, which we're in the middle of right now, there could be temporary impacts on traffic patterns, noise levels for surrounding areas, and those might affect the property values just short term. Real estate developers and investors will need to balance these potential downsides with the long-term benefits of being near a modernized airport. The ongoing modernization of Pittsburgh International Airport is set to be a catalyst for growth and change in the local real estate market. By improving connectivity and enhancing the region's appeal, the project could drive both demand for residential and commercial properties. For current homeowners, prospective buyers, and real estate investors, this could be an amazing opportunity to explore the new potential that Pittsburgh's evolving landscape has to offer. And like I said, whether you're moving in 1 week or 1 year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move in Pittsburgh. Until next time, I hope to show you around town.